O isang terminology, art. What is art daw? So unang tingin, art is ito yung mga ginagawa natin nung tayo ay elementary, nung preschool, yung mga watercolor, iba yung mga Crayola. Well, in the academe, art has its own definition. Pero ang pinakasimpleng paliwanag lang dyan, it is uh, it is our way of expressing ourselves creatively, di ba? As humans, we interact through language o yung pagsasalita. Di ba, nasasabi natin yung feelings natin. Pero that is just one way. But we also have this art. Now, if we're going to take a look at the definition, sabi dito, art is a way of people to express their thoughts, feelings, ideas, and uh, mga kanilang saloobin sa pamamaraan na malikhain. Halimbawa, drawing, painting, music, or writing. Kaya naman 'pag nag-aaral tayo ng history, hindi natin maiiwasan na tignan yung art forms sa panahon na yun. Kasi yun yung nagrerepresenta ng mga damdamin, kaisipan ng mga tao na naka-capture yun ng art. Okay? So, yun lang. That's art.